Hey, what's up guys, it's me Stunky back with another video. Today I'm sitting in my sitting room with my little brother called Killian. He's a weirdo. Do you want to get socks and mirrors on and go out the back garden?
No,
Why?
don't want to.
That's what I'm gonna do. I'm gonna go out the back garden and play on the trampoline. So, let's get to it. So my brother's gone up to get both of us t-shirts. So, I'm just gonna be back in a minute. Oh yeah, and I forgot to say, please subscribe to SJ Peeps. You could give a big shout out to her and Mr. Fursum. Give a shout out to both of them. Right, so we're on my back garden now, and here's my dog. She's a boxer, she's white, she has a fully grown tail. Her name is Sasha.
And she's a boxer.
She's really fast and strong. So we're getting on trampoline now. Alright, we're on the trampoline. Killian, hop off and move Jack's bike. Quick. Alright, Killian, my little brother, has just moved my older brother Jack's bike. Because he put his bike under the trampoline. And that's like so weird. I have a funny joke. I will rip off your arm, shoot up your ass, put my hand down your throat, and shake your hand. Now I'm bouncing. Oh, I so wish I had a selfie stick.
Let's go to the Stump 2000.
Sorry guys for that. I thought I pressed the wrong button there and the thing nearly turned off. So sorry about that.
And our back garden is full of shit and we ate it all. And we have to feed it every day. And clean the shit.
So I'm going to be doing another YouTube video today, and I'm going to be outside playing with my friends. I might be doing football, playing a game of soccer on the field. There's a field just across the road from me over there, or we might play up there, or we might be doing a wheelie challenge, because I'm like the best in our roller wheelie. So yeah, I'll ask, am I allowed to go out? And I might get my friend Callum and my friend Sean and Dara, and I might get my cousin out. He might be going onto YouTube. His name is, might be CMD. But we call him Cullen because that's his actual real name. He's a funny guy. You'll like him. So if you don't like him, just tell me. And if he's messing and all that, I'm just going to pause the video and I'm going to tell him to cop on, right? This is my YouTube channel, not his. Right?
You know Sean's YouTube name? Brother. He has a YouTube name. I don't.
Alright. So I'm going to pause the video, turn my phone off, and then I'm going to go up and ask my mom, can I go out? And then Killian might get dressed, and then me and him will go on a little cycle on our bikes. And then I might get my other friend across the road. He might be going around and his little sister needs a bike that's pink. Alright, so I'm going to pause the video now and turn my phone off. Wait, no, I'm not going to turn my phone off because then I'll have to start this video again. Right, so see you in a minute.